Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking Facebook ad post design. If you want to create a Facebook ad post for promoting your product, running campaigns, or anything else, you can do it in Canva. If you don't have any experience creating graphics, you don't have to worry. One of the best features of Canva is that you can modify, tweak, and customize templates already created by professional and creative designers. Create your account in Canva. Go to the search bar and type for Facebook Post Ads. We are creating post ads for Facebook, which is why we have added Facebook here. This is the template suggested by Canva. Go to the URL to explore all the available templates. You can find everything from professional to minimalist designs. Every template and design is available for you. I will go with this one because it looks good. You can explore more and customize whichever template you like. Hit click on Customize this template, and now you can see that I have full access to modify whatever I want. Starting with the text, you can see what I can modify and customize. If you want to add text, double-click on it and add whatever text you like, or remove any text. For more text customization features, these are the options available. If you want to change the font, if you want to make it bold, and if you want to change the color, these are the features you can use. Just try them out. That was all about the text customization features available to you. Now, moving on to the background. If you want to change the background color of this template, just click on the background, and here is the option for changing the background color. For example, this way, you can just change it. Now, if you want to replace the images in the template, what you can do is, if I want to replace these images with my own, go to the Upload section and upload your images. Now I'm just picking some random images from Pinterest. What I will do is just copy and paste them. What I'll do is just copy and paste it over here. In a similar way, if you want to add any images from Pinterest, you can add them. Now I have picked 3 images from Pinterest. To replace an image in the template, what you need to do is simply drag it like this. If you want to replace it with this one, just place it here. Or if you want to replace it with this one, simply drag it like this. You can just drag and drop it. In the same way, just drag and drop. If you want to adjust the size, shape, or position of your image, simply click on it. Then, like this, you can adjust the position as well. Like this, you can adjust it. So now, in a similar way, you can adjust anything you want. You can add your own text, images, contact information, branding colors, logos, and anything else you want to add or modify. After that, to export or rename your file, go to the Share option. Then go to Download. Download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download it, and your Facebook ad post is ready to run as an ad and upload it to Facebook.